Good day, everyone. I am Aubrey Nigel Willem from grade 2 St. Charles. Today, I will take you on a journey to a time of magic, bravery, and destiny. A time when a young boy pulled a sword from a stone and became one of the legendary kings in history. The story I will be sharing is titled King Arthur. The story how Arthur became the legendary king, written by Philip Edwards. So open your hearts and imagine that the shining armor and the powerful sword, and let us discover how Arthur became the legendary king. Arthur, a long time ago in the land of England, there was no king to rule the people. The country was full of trouble because everyone wanted to be a king. But no one knew who the real one should be. In a small village lived a kind and humble boy named Arthur. He didn't know anything about being a king. He was just a helper to his older brother, Sir Kay, and lived with his guardian, Sir Ector. Arthur lived with his guardian, Sir Ector, and his brother Kay. He didn't know that he was special. A wise wizard named him Merlin secretly watched over him. Merlin knew Arthur's heart was kind, brave, and honored, the heart of a true king. The sword and the stone. The people were worried because no one knew who should lead the kingdom. Then, one day, a magical sword appeared in a stone with golden letters that said, "Whoever pulls this sword from the stone shall be the true king." Many strong knights tried to pull the sword, but they pulled, but none of them could move it. People laughed and said, "Only magic can do this." But no one knew a humble boy named Arthur would soon change everything. One day in a great tournament was held in London. Sir Kay forgot his sword. "Arthur, can you fetch it for me?" he said. Arthur ran to find him, and he saw the sword and stone. He didn't know it was special, so he pulled it out easily. When the people saw Arthur with the stone, they couldn't believe it. Many tried again, but only Arthur could pull it from the stone. Everyone knelt and said, "Hail King Arthur, the true and rightful king." Arthur was the surprised king, accepted his crown with humility and kindness. The newly crowned king, Arthur, immediately set about righting the wrongs done since the death of the King Arthur. He went on to fulfill a legacy unlike any that had come before him. To this day, he is known as the great and honorable man. Many consider him as the greatest king who ever lived. King Arthur ruled with wisdom, fairness, and bravery. He built a Camelot where knights promised to protect the weak and stand for what's right. Arthur taught everyone that kindness is stronger than power. Honesty shines brighter than gold, and that's what courage means, doing what's right, even when it's hard. The moral of the story: no matter who you are, young or old, big or small. If your heart is good and your actions are kind, you can be a leader too. I may not have a sword, but I can still be a hero with my heart. And that is how a humble boy named Arthur proved his courage, fulfilled his destiny, and became the legendary King Arthur, the true king of Camelot. Thank you, and may the spirit of bravery and honor live on in all of us.